In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate DocuSign with your Gmail account. This integration will streamline the process of sending documents for signatures, making your workflow more efficient. Let's get started. First, ensure you have Google Chrome installed on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to the address bar at the top of the window and type in mail.google.com. This will take you to the Gmail login page. If you're not already logged in, enter your email and password to access your Gmail account. Ensure that you're logged into the account where you want to use DocuSign because this process ties directly into it. Now that you're in your Gmail account, we'll need to head over to the Google Workspace Marketplace. To find it, look for the grid of dots icon near the top right corner of your Gmail page, which is often called the Google Apps icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll through the options until you find the Marketplace logo with a shopping bag icon. Click on that to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. Once you're in the Marketplace, it's time to search for the DocuSign add-on. You'll see a search bar at the top. Click into it and type DocuSign for Gmail. Hit enter, and you should see DocuSign in the search results. Choose the correct option, which should appear prominently. After locating DocuSign for Gmail, you'll need to install it. Click on the Install button, which is clearly visible on DocuSign's page within the Marketplace. This will initiate the installation process. During this step, you might be prompted to grant certain permissions to allow DocuSign access to your Gmail and any relevant files. Carefully review these permissions, and if you're comfortable, click on Allow to proceed. Don't worry, these permissions are typical for integrating third-party tools with Gmail and are necessary to ensure that DocuSign can function properly within your email. With DocuSign installed, you're ready to start sending documents for signatures right from your inbox. Open any email that contains the document you need to send. Once the email is open, you'll notice a DocuSign icon or button typically located on the right-hand side or within the email options. Click on this icon to activate the DocuSign add-on. The add-on will guide you through the process of selecting the document you wish to send. Follow the steps provided by DocuSign to input email addresses and a personalized message, if desired, to the recipient. Once you've done that, you can send the document for signatures directly. And there you have it. You've just successfully installed and utilized DocuSign with your Gmail account, making sending and receiving signed documents a breeze. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.